doing, lady? Oh my God. Oh my God. Jesus Christ.
Lightning has to be before the park's shut down, but over here in Dallas, whoa! What the hell was, oh God, that person just slammed right into the back of that truck. I heard boom, I thought it was lightning. That, wow. The guy next to me in the truck goes, whoa, what the heck was that?
What is this person doing? The f was that?
How much do we love
What is this
being
person doing?
It's in our name.
Oh my God.
WJRZ. Get it? Jersey. Jersey. Yeah, you get it.
What is he doing? Jesus Christ.
Oh my God, did you see that?
You know, there are a lot of courteous people still on the road here in Texas. I don't know if you even saw that. What's this? Now, say, take this guy. He is the typical douche canoe that drives on the Texas road. And you can tell by the way the back end of his piece is busted up. That's a douche canoe who's in so much of a rush to get to the vehicle in front of me that they had to pass me almost on the cement wall in the breakdown lane on the end of a Mixmaster. That's a douche canoe. And no one's letting him in now. He's going to get pissed. Look at him. He's frustrated now. No one's letting him in. Look at that. Look at him. They're blocking him. He's going to have to slow down. Look at him. Look at this guy. a total douche canoe. I mean, look at that. Guys, can you see this? This is what I'm talking about. This kind of road rage. Look at this. This guy is a douchebag. Oh, yeah, you see that? And he flipped him off.
You know, why I'm new, and how it goes. All of it. Which part was it? Bullshit.
I pray to Mecca, all this gang shit in my brain. I got the rank, I got the blessing. Take some extras out the brick, repress a Ricky, it ain't no pressure. Sipping tiki in my kiki, I'm with Didi and Vanessa.
Whoa, what's going on?
Similar to what he had, maybe a little bigger, a little smaller. Yeah, I think mine would be a little smaller too.
Documentary later, it's coming out on Showtime, but right now
I'm just here kicking it.
I want to talk hoops. You've done this a little bit. You did a couple TNT appearances.
I have.
All right, so I want to talk Russell Westbrook first. All three of us have something in common. We all love watching Russell Westbrook. I look at that Oklahoma City.
For example, I'm out of town with my colleagues, Murdoch and Barrett, facilitating a daring leadership workshop. I asked them to collect.
Holy shit. Oh my gosh, 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 oh my gosh.
as the country begins to reopen, these low rates won't last much longer. If your 15-year fixed is higher than...
Okay, Garmin, save video.
From your income tax list, and then, but it's going to political organizations. It should not be legal. That is that's contrary to the way that the not-for-profit tax code is set up.
Looks like this wreck in Farmers Branch is gone now. Southbound I-35 in Bellwood, traffic unwinding quickly from Beltline. Still seeing a backup northbound on 75 from Richardson into Plato from the George Bush up to 15th Street. With WBAP First Traffic, I'm Michael Scott. Help finally started. For Aggie Engineering first round draft choice in the NFL ought to make the team. And there are that many good players in the first round. Average military ballots, you might remember that. Here's a solid number from Mark Kennedy.
Man?
God, do you feel the wind pushing the car?
Oh my
Oi!
God, that's a coyote.
I don't need any more time to think. We're broken up.